I'm G. Kumar of www.astrovedica.com. In India, mathematics is related to philosophy. We can find mathematical concepts like zero, Sunyavada, one, Advaitavada, and infinity, Purnavada, in Philosophia Indica. The sign tables of Aryabhatta and Madhava, which gives correct sign values or values of 24-hour signs at intervals of 3 degrees and 45 minutes, and the trigonometric tables of Brahmagupta, which gives correct sine and tan values for every 5 degrees, influenced Christopher Clavius, who headed the Gregorian calendar reforms of 1582. These correct trigonometric tables solve the problem of the 3 L's, longitude, latitude, and loxodromes, for the Europeans who are looking for solutions to their navigational problems. Western mathematicians have indeed lauded Indian maths and astronomy. Albert Einstein commented, "We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile discovery could have been made." The great Laplace, who wrote the glorious Mechanics Celeste, remarked, "The ingenious method of expressing every possible number using a set of 10 symbols, each symbol having a place value and an absolute value, emerged in India." The idea seems so simple nowadays that its significance and profound importance is no longer appreciated. Its simplicity lies in the way it facilitated calculation, placed arithmetic foremost amongst useful inventions. The importance of this invention is more readily appreciated when one considers that it was beyond the 2 greatest men of antiquity, Archimedes and Apollonius. His famous dissertation, titled The Remarks on the Astronomy of Indians in 1790, the famous Scottish mathematician John Playfair said, "The constructions and these tables imply a great knowledge of geometry, arithmetic, and even of the theoretical part of astronomy. But what without doubt is to be accounted the greatest refinement in this system is the hypothesis employed in calculating the equation of center for the sun, the moon, and the planets, that of a circular orbit having a double eccentricity, or having its center in the middle between the earth and the point about which the angular motion is uniform. If to this we add the great extent of the geometrical knowledge required to combine this and other principles of their astronomy together, and deduce from them the just conclusion, the possession of a calculus equivalent to trigonometry, and lastly their approximation of the quadrature of the circle, we shall be astonished at the magnitude of that body of science must have enlightened the inhabitants of India in some remote age, and which, whatever it may have communicated to the Western nation, appears to have received another from them."